In today's video, we will be looking at how to make delicious wine from the comfort of your own home. Step 1. Select your grapes. To make home wine, start by selecting fully ripe grapes with a sweet taste. You can use different varieties such as Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, or Chardonnay, but mind that each will produce its own unique flavor and aroma. Step 2. Crushing the grapes. Crush your grapes to extract the juice that will be the base of your wine. Use a wine press or crush them by hand in a large bowl. Remove stems and seeds to avoid unwanted bitterness. Step 3. Fermentation. After crushing the grapes, transfer the juice into a fermentation vessel and add yeast. The yeast will eat the sugar and create alcohol. Cover the vessel with a cloth and let it sit in a cool, dark place for a few weeks, stirring occasionally to avoid yeast settling on the bottom. Step 4. Racking. After a few weeks, when the wine clears and fermentation slows, it's time to rack. This involves transferring the wine to a new container, leaving behind sediment to clarify and enhance flavor. Step 5. Aging. After racking your wine, transfer it to a clean container and let it age in a cool, dark place for several months. The longer it ages, the better it will taste. Monitor it during the aging process and discard if you notice any spoilage. Make delicious wine at home using high-quality grapes and patience during fermentation and aging. Try it and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for watching.